this is the famous place. Look at this. I want to show a little bit how he's working. Wow, these are pides. In the real fire oven, he's working. He doesn't know I'm filming him. Merhaba. It's like, hello, just don't film me anymore. I'm done. Ah, it's working very hard.
It's very good pide shop.
All day long he's working on that.
Let's get pide for kids today after.
Okay, we can get pide.
Or I order now, we pick up later.
Rob says I love pide, it's my favorite.
Come, araba geliyor.
This is actually one of the...
Just Upper Bar Street, they open whole season that one, and they're very popular.
Baby, can I enter inside a little bit? It's one of the popular places. I just threw that
I will
door.
order them, okay? Has to be some reason.
Okay, one small pide for me, please.
No, for kids also, I will come pick up later.
Okay.
Come. Merhaba. Şey alayım. Do you want yours? How you want yours?
Just like he was making in
Okay.
the video.
3 tane kuşbaşı alalım.
Kaşar olsun isterim.
Bir tanesi kaşarlı olsun.
3 tane kuşbaşı.
Biri... Evet.
Başka bir şey var.
Yok, sağ ol.
Very nice backyard here.
Hemen yapmaya başlayalım mı?
Oh, it's a nice place.
Bir tane de lahmacun olsun. Yani bir 20 dakika sonra başlayın.
Oh, I'd love to sit here and have pide.
Tamamdır.
Yetiyor mu?
70 lira yapıyor efendim.
Tamam. Tamam.
Teşekkür ederim.
Sağ ol.
Wait for me. I'm coming.
You see the backyard?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay. Görüşürüz sonra.
Kolay gelsin. Can you close the door, baby, behind me?